If you need to copy a Lucidchart diagram, there are two easy ways to do it, and in this video I'll walk you through both. Whether you want to duplicate an entire document from your dashboard or make a copy while you're already inside the editor, this quick tutorial will save you time and help you keep your diagrams organized. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Lucidchart account. Once you're on the main Documents or Files view, find the diagram you want to copy. You can scroll through your recent files or search for it if you have a lot of documents. When you spot the diagram, hover your cursor over the file name or thumbnail. On the right side, you'll see the three vertical dots, which is the More menu. Click those dots to open the options for that file. From the menu, select Copy or create a duplicate. Lucidchart will generate a new version of that diagram and place it right back into your document list. After that, you can open the copied file and rename it so it's easy to identify. This is the fastest method if you want to duplicate the whole diagram from your dashboard without opening the editor first. Now let's look at the second method, which is useful if you already have the diagram open. Open the diagram you want to duplicate in the Lucidchart editor. In the top left menu bar, click the three-line menu. This opens the file options for the document you're currently working on. From the drop-down menu, choose Make a Copy or Duplicate. A dialog box will appear asking you to name the new file. Type a new name for your copied diagram so you can tell it apart from the original, then click OK. Lucidchart will create the duplicate and open the new file automatically in a separate tab. That means you can keep working right away without needing to search for it again. If you're copying a diagram to reuse as a template, this is a great way to preserve the original and make changes only on the duplicate. It's especially helpful for flowcharts, org charts, process maps, and any diagram you want to reuse across multiple projects. So just to recap, if you're on the dashboard, use the three dots and choose Copy or Create a Duplicate. If you're inside the editor, use the three-line menu and select Make a Copy or Duplicate. Both methods are simple, fast, and beginner-friendly. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.